បាទជំរាបសួរបាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទជាពិសេសបងប្អូនសិស្សានុសិស្សជាទីស្រឡាញ់រាប់អានបាទជួបគ្នាជាមួយខ្ញុំបាទទៀតហើយបាទនៅមេរៀនទី8បាទ unit 8 lesson 2បាទ unit 8 lesson មេរៀនទី2បាទអញ្ចឹងមកខាត់ពេលបាទយើងចូលទៅក្នុងវីដេអូមេរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទបាទឥឡូវបងប្អូនមើលរូបភាពដដែលបាទឃើញទេបាទនេះចូលអាណាឡើងរួញជើងហើយបាទផាឡូគាត់ចេះបខំបាទលោកផាឡូយើងមើលរូបភាពយល់ហើយណាបាទពីមេរៀនទី1គឺលោកផាឡូនិងចូលអាណាគឺនិយាយគ្នាយ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះបាទបាទឥឡូវយើងមើលពាក្យថ្មីនៅក្នុងមេរៀនយើងតើមានស្អីខ្លះបាទចឹងយើងមើលពាក្យថ្មីក្នុងមេរៀនមានអីខ្លះបាទគឺ Portuguese បាទនេះ Portuguese បាទ Portuguese នេះគឺជាភាសាប៉ូទុយកាល់បាទ Portuguese បាទភាសាប៉ូទុយកាល់ speak Portuguese practice ដូចជាយើងចេះហើយបាទការអនុវត្តហ្នឹងបាទគឺ confident នេះប្រែថាប្រកបវិជ្ជាច្បាស់លាស់អញ្ចឹងណាបាទ confident ដែលទុកចិត្តលើខ្លួនឯងដូចថាបាទ confident បាទជឿជាក់បាទជឿជាក់លើខ្លួនឯងបាទបាទនេះ career បាទពាក្យនេះអានថា career ប្រែថាមុខរបរបាទមុខរបរណាបាទ career បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងអានបន្តិចទៅបាទហ្នឹងហើយពាក្យយើងមានតែប្រហែល 2-3 ពាក្យហ្នឹងឯងអូនេះមួយទៀតគឺ accent បាទ accent នេះគឺការបញ្ចេញសរលេងបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលលោកផាឡូគាត់និយាយថាម៉េចគាត់ថា come on Joanna you cannot say no to the Crawfords អញ្ចឹង Joanna គាត់ថា my English is too bad and they don't speak Portuguese អញ្ចឹង Paulo គាត់ថា your English is fine and you have a good accent អញ្ចឹង Joanna គាត់ថា do you really think so yes I do and you can practice your English at the party អញ្ចឹង Joanna គាត់ថា you're so confident អញ្ចឹង Paulo គាត់ថា then you're coming no Paulo I don't want to go please Joanna do it for me for my career បាទអញ្ចឹង Paulo គាត់ថា please Joanna do it for me for my career បាទអញ្ចឹងពាក្យនៅក្នុងការសន្ទនាយើងគឺយើងអានរួចអស់ហើយបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនសាកល្បងរៀនអានខ្លួនឯងហើយប្រែខ្លួនឯងមើលមកបាទតើបងប្អូនអាចទៅរួចទេបាទអញ្ចឹងបាទកុំឲ្យខាត់ពេលបាទយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមប្រែតែម្ដងទៅបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលសកម្មភាពហ្នឹងឃើញរូបភាពចូលណាក៏បដិសេធរហូតអញ្ចឹងផឡូតាំងពីភាគ1មកបាទមេរៀនតាំងពីមេរៀនទី1មកឃើញទេទី2នៅតែបដិសេធទៀតអញ្ចឹងផឡូក៏ថា come on Joanna you cannot say no to the Crawfords ថាលឿនឡើងមក Joanna មកលឿនឡើងមក Joanna អូនអាចនិយាយបដិសេធទៅកាន់គ្រួសារលោក Crawford បានទេណាអញ្ចឹងណាដូចថា you cannot say no to the Crawford មានន័យថាអូនឬក៏អ្នកមិនអាចនិយាយថា no ថាទេទៅកាន់លោកក្រុមគ្រួសារលោក Crawford ទេណាបាទអញ្ចឹងចូលណាអ្វីដែលគាត់បារម្ភគឺគាត់បារម្ភថាភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងខ្សោយអញ្ចឹងគាត់ថា my English is too bad អញ្ចឹងភាសាអូនអន់ណាភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់ខ្ញុំរបស់អូនហ្នឹងខ្សោយណាស់ and they don't speak Portuguese ហើយគេអត់និយាយភាសាប៉ូទុយកាល់ទៀតអញ្ចឹងណាបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់បារម្ភតែគាត់អញ្ចឹងទៅដោយសារភាសាអង់គ្លេសគាត់នឹងខ្សោយ អ bạn chẳng follow cái thà your English is fine and you have a good accent chẳng phía sau Anh Lý bảo ôn lõ ta hay ôn bị tranh xử lý ban trầm trâu thì have a good accent cao bị tranh xử lý ban lõ được có ban trầm trâu chẳng tao nè chẳng chùa này cái thà do you really think so ô bong kịch chẳng mê này yes I do and you can practice your English at the party nâng ấy bong kịch chẳng mê thấy ôn ai ăn vật nó hạt được ăn vật nó bằng ôn practice nâng ấy ôn ai ăn vật bị sang lên bảo ôn ơi thì chụp liên bàn tiền chùa này cái thà you're so confident bằng đôi chỉ chưa chuyện lược luôn anh về giới được cả chưa chuyện lược luôn anh đó là chẳng phải là then you're coming chẳng ôn tàu đấy chẳng prom tàu đấy đó chẳng no follow I don't want to go tê bong follow ơi nhóm mình chẳng tàu tê nhóm ọt tàu tê follow cái thà please Joanna do it for me for my career bong vo cho nó Joanna được please Joanna nè khi nãy cật thơ được lần tu Joanna ôn cật chẳng nè bạn ta bong xôm vo thì cho Joanna thưa viên làm bay bong tàu nè do it for me nè bằng pin nhầm non bong tàu được cả thưa viên làm bay bong nèสำหรับการเงียบบ้อง for my career สำหรับการเงียบจีบบ้องจ้ะนะบาโปรโลกพอโลนี่ก็เธอการจมูกโลกราฟอร์ดแล้วก็เธอการมวยโลกราฟอร์ดยังก็บานลิขิตเชิญเตาไปที่จบเรียงยามหาเปลเงียนะไปที่ยามหาเปลเงียจูบจุ่มนี่ก็จังนำปูนกับตะพองจังดำใบออยจวนนานี้บานสกอลกรมกุศลโลกราฟอร์ดพองบานจังยังดู it for me ยังจะนำพองบานจังถ้าเธอเวียดำใบขย่มหรือก็บำเพ็ญบำนองขย่มเต้านะบำเพ็ญนองขย่ม for my career ดำใบการเงียบออกย่มดำใบเอาไว้จังเต้านะยังไอจำเรา substitution trial ยังไอแก่ตำเราเตียเต้าบานจังบางคนตามเตือนนี่บางคนบานกาแปรนั่นคือใครๆสู้งี้ปนังไอบานมันจึงยังโจลขนม substitution trial บ้านคืออัดบ้านโจลขนมเมริน substitution trial ที่คือยังโจลนัดแต่แต่ก็ในยังดูกลางกลางจึงยังกลางนะ you cannot say no to the Crawford อะไรยังดอ the Crawford จังเถอะยังจังยี่ท่า you can not say เอ้ยจังเถอะดักดูแล้วยังโน้ก็ไม่ตันโดนจังยังดักจมูกเนี่ยนาจังเต๋อบางคนยัวเล็กอะไรนี่บ้าง you cannot say no to Mr. A จังเต๋อ Mr. A ถังโอนไอจีถัดเตตะกันโลก A บ้านเด้นะง่ายจังบางคนไอดู no ตัวนี้บ้านจังเต๋อโดยถ้า you cannot say stupid to me ถ้าเนี่ยมันอาจยี่เปียถ้าลงงดักยมบ้านเนี่ยนะแบบยังดูอ่านตัวนี้เด้อยังอาจดูยังไม่กับบ้านยังจีเจตบางคนโยนเปรียบเบียบดูไว้นะบ้านตั้งปีวิดีโอเจริญมอตั้งเพียบมวยเปียปีมอคือเบียบดูคือเจริญอาจโยนบ้านจังสลายแต่บางคนจังประกาศประโยคทำไมนั้นบางคนจังยี่ทำไม่เตะบ้านนะบ้านโดยนี้วิจัยประโยคทำไมมวยจะยังเติบแต่จูบยังจังบังเกิดประโยคทำไมจะเจริญติดโดยสายังไอดูยังลบนอดเจ๊งกับบ้านลบเอ้ยกับบ้านยัยเต้าคือจะกาบังเกิดโดยกลุ่มนึกบ่อยเยอะโดยโยประโยคระบอกเกโมชนัยประดิษฐ์จังอันนี้วิจัยปะเสดโดยท่า you cannot say no to the Crawford ยังดอกนอดเจ๊งยังเธอประโยคสอบไป you can say โดยเปียท่า smart you can say smart to me แต่เนี่ยไอ้ยีเปียท่าฉลาดบุกกันยามบ้านนะอย่างนั้นนะอุตส่าห์เต้าเนี่ยหน้าก็อันนี้นะจังเต้าเตีย my English is so bad จังกลางแต่เนี่ยคือจังยีท่าภาษาอังกฤษบอกยกซอยนะออนนะยังไอ้ดอโซแต่เนี่ยดับทูกับบ้านดอกเบ็ดแต่เนี่ยดับพัวกับบ้านโดยแต่ my English is so poor so ឬក៏ too poor is ឬក៏ very poor អា poor ប្រែតែក្រឬក៏ខ្សោយហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចដូរគុណនាមទៅនេះបានតើបើសិនតែយើងថាប្រកែយើងដាក់ my English is perfect អញ្ចឹងទៅ my English is so good អញ្ចឹងទៅណាបាទយកទៅណា they don't speak Portuguese អញ្ចឹងយើងដកអា Portuguese នេះចេញមកយើងដាក់ភាសាអីក៏ដាក់មកដាក់ French ដាក់ Chinese ដាក់ Japanese ដាក់អីមកណាបាទ they don't speak Japanese អញ្ចឹងយើងពួកគេអត់និយាយភាសាជប៉ុនទេពួកគេអត់និយាយភាសាចិនទេពួកគេអត់អញ្ចឹងដូរអាភាសានេះចេញមកដាក់ភាសាអីក៏ដាក់ទៅអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលបន្តទៀត do you really think so អញ្ចឹងយើងកន្លែង do you really think so នេះយើងដាក់ដកចេញកន្លែងណាក៏ដកទៅណាបាទបងប្អូនតើអ្នកគិតអញ្ចឹងមែនទេតើអ្នកពិតជាគិតអញ្ចឹងមែនទេអញ្ចឹងអាកន្លែង you can practice your English at the party យើងដាក់ចង់ដូរយ៉ាងម៉េចក៏ដូរទៅណាបងប្អូនណាបាទយើងដូរដាក់ at the party យើងចង់ដូរដាក់ឯណាក៏ដាក់ទៅ practice your English ដក your English ចេញដាក់អីក៏ដាក់ទៅបាទនេះ do it for me បងប្អូនចាំទៅបាទវាជា clear របស់វាបាទមានន័យថាធ្វើវាសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំពាក្យន័យត្រង់វាយើងអាចប្រែចេញបានណា do ធ្វើ it វា for ដើម្បីសម្រាប់បាទ me នេះគឺខ្ញុំណាបាទអញ្ចឹង do it for me បានន័យថាធ្វើវាដើម្បីខ្ញុំណាបំពេញបំណងខ្ញុំណា for my career សម្រាប់ការងាររបស់បងអីចឹងទៅស្រេចតែយើងថាទេបាទអញ្ចឹងទាំងការសន្ទនាទាំងការហាត់ដូរប្រយោគបាទគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងបងប្អូនណាបាទខ្លីៗបាទសង្ឃឹមតែបងប្អូនយល់ហើយអាចចេះដូរចេះប្រែអីខ្លួនឯងបានណាបាទក្នុងវីដេអូនេះដែរបាទបើសិនជាមានការខុសឆ្គងលើសកន្លែងណាបាទសូមបងប្អូនជួយកែលម្អបាទខ្ញុំបាទរីករាយនឹងទទួលការកែលម្អរបស់បងប្អូនបាទហើយអរគុណសាជាថ្មីបាទសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះតាំងពីដើមរហូតដល់ចប់បាទសម្រាប់ពេលនេះខ្ញុំបាទស៊ីថាសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា